Are you guys thinking about moving to the hottest subdivision right here in Liberty Hill, Texas? Well, today I'm here in Santa Rita Ranch, one of the most master plan communities right here. They have a 20-year build out phase. We are in the 11th year of the building. And in this video, I'm going to show you what Santa Rita has to offer with the amenities, what builders are there, their ratings, and much more. So stay tuned. Let's talk about the community and the stats. Santa Rita Ranch sits on approximately 3,100 acres, part of spanning Liberty Hill, parts near Georgetown in Williamson County. It is a fully master plan award-winning community and has been ranked Austin's top-selling master plan community for multiple years. Santa Rita Ranch offers a resort-style amenity package. They have spent around $80 million on the amenities like pools, water slides, splash park, resort-style pools, big lip-deep water slides, kids splash area, and a lot more. There's also cabanas and lounging areas. And yes, they're having zip lining. The Ranch House Amenity Center is a major hub, indoor-outdoor gathering spaces, and event lawns, water slides, and much more. There's also the Hub at the Green, another amenity center planned or operating with features like fitnesses, gathering spaces. Obviously, there's trails, parks, open spaces, sport courts, and green areas throughout the community. The community maintains a lifestyle program, events, social activity gatherings to foster social connection among residents. They have even the cultural activities like Holi, Diwali, and much more. Let's talk about the lifestyle and the amenity centers that the Santa Rita Ranch has to offer. Right behind me, you can see one of the pools. They have a sliding pool. They have activities. They also have a wellness barn, which has a gym, and you can also do event planning right here in the Santa Rita Ranch. This is, guys, only one of them. They have several swimming pools and parks and playgrounds all around the Santa Rita Ranch area. Kids that are in Liberty Hill ISD can either go to Liberty Hill ISD or zone for Georgetown ISD. Make sure where your house falls so that you know which ISD your kids will be going into. And within the subdivision, they have an elementary and middle school right here for those that are living in the Santa Rita Ranch community. And if you guys are looking for convenience for shopping, dining, restaurants, groceries, well, this is all within 10 to 15 minutes of Santa Rita Ranch. They are building amazing restaurants, brand new groceries, and there's also going to be Costco, brand new Costco, the biggest one that's going to be coming. Also the Target right around there. For those that love the Indian food of groceries and restaurants, that's also within the 10 minutes. You'll find 3 to 10 different restaurants right here that are brand new. H-E-B is one of the biggest groceries right here in Texas, and that's going to be within 10 minutes of Santa Rita Ranch. What's coming near future? Well, a big upcoming amenity is the paddock in the Saddleback Village. This will include 2 pools, indoor courts for those that love badminton, and yes, pickleball. They have sports courts and lots more. New phases releasing more lots, newer floor plans, and extended infrastructure are always in progress. The community continues to build out commercial development, retail, and supporting services to bring more convenience closer to residents. And again, like I said, this is only the 11th year out of the 20th year, no, right around halfway done. So think about what else is going to be coming near future. I'm right here in front of lots of different model homes in one of the cul-de-sacs in Santa Rita Ranch. Guys, they have 12 different builders building in Santa Rita Ranch, and the price point varies from as low as $300,000 to as high as above $1 million. So you have lots of options, lots of different floor plans. So let's get into it. What are the builders here in Santa Rita Ranch? Well, let's talk about it. They have Pulte, they have Coventry, Highland Homes, Perry Homes, Toll Brothers, Scott Fielder Homes, Taylor Morrison, and others. So you guys have lots of options and floor plans that can fit your family needs. Pro tip for those buyers that are looking to build new construction home is try to buy a home closer to the amenity center earlier in the phase to gain the best value when you're trying to sell it. Also, if you want best value, try to look for a lot that's facing south so you can get a lot more discount. That's your full look at Santa Rita Ranch, the builders, the amenities, what's coming, and what to watch out for. If you're considering making your move to Santa Rita Ranch or Liberty Hill area, I love to show you around, compare floor plans, and help you find the lot that fits you best. That was all the things that you need to know about Santa Rita Ranch. And if you guys are wanting to learn a little bit more about the Liberty Hill, Texas, what that has to offer, look out for that video on my YouTube channel. Also, all the different types of builders, their floor plans, the walkthroughs, I have all of them on my channel, so look for those. Comment below which builder you guys think that you like or which community you guys like here in the Austin, Texas. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.